Check out this Dodge 2020 Journey SE Value. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include Quick Order Package 22B included, engine 2.4Li 4DOHC 16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, SC Popular Equipment Group included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 888-539-7474. Sirius Satellite Radio, leather-wrapped shift knob, rear air conditioning with heater, power 6-way driver seat, power 4-way driver, lumbar adjust radio, 4.3 SU Connect voice command with Bluetooth, air conditioning with 3-zone temperature control, security alarm, leather-wrapped steering wheel, wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 fully painted black, engine, 2.4Li 4DOHC 16V dual VVT, STD, granite pearl coat, blacktop.